Hi, this is Istiak. Welcome to my channel Technical Support Online. Today I show you how to set a electric signature on your PDF file by Acrobat Pro DC. So I'm going to Acrobat Pro DC. I open it and now open a new file. So I select file, select open and browse your PDF file which you want to edit. So I have already downloaded a file, the trial file, and I open it. Now I zoom out for small view, and this is the 3-page file, and I want to the last page, the right side below. I want to set the signature. So I'm going to the tools and select the option signature, digital signature from Adobe. So you can find here the certificate. So click the certificate. Now click digitally sign and select the space where you want to set your signature. So I want to right side below and select this, and automatically show here the existing signature or new signature. So I have actually the existing signature, and now I want to select the new signature. So I select new and create a new digital ID. So I select this and the file save location. So I manually save in my hard disk and input your signature, your name. I set my name, organization unit as you wish, organization name as you wish, email address, select your country, so I select my country Bangladesh, and you can here the two option key algorithm, select anyone if you want, and the digital ID, signature, data encryption and digital signature with encryption. So I select that first one and set a password. When you want to deploy your signature the next page or the next document, you can select this file and set your password by open this. So I save this file in my documents file and the download file. So now it need the strong password, so I select a strong password. Now save it, and I have the two file. Today is 25 May, so first one is the new file. So I save this file, and when you want to input your signature on your PDF file, you need to verify your password which already you set it. So I input my password and sign in and save this location of the file. Now Acrobat Pro DC automatically set your digital signature. You can edit the signature by Acrobat Pro DC from your PC, or no one can set your edit your signature. So I have saved this the different location of the selected or edited file. Set a new name. Now close this Acrobat Pro DC software. Now I open the new edited file which I already signed in. So open this file with Google Chrome and scroll down, and you can find here your digital signature. No one can edit this file because it is encrypted your digital sign. Thanks for watching.